Hello guys, it's your guy MKFX, and I'm here again to analyze Euro USD. This is Saturday, and I'm just getting things set for the next week, how I'm going to hustle next week. So I have a buy set up on Euro USD, and now my reason or this channel is just to show you why I am seeing a buy or why I'm seeing a sell in any trade that I take. So this channel is just to expose all my strategies to you. If it's your first time watching my video, I would really appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button, like the video and share, and also ring the notification bell so you can always get more of my video when I post them. So now let us look at why I am buying Euro USD. Let us look at why I'm buying it. So guys, let me put it on full screen. Now, let me just clear all drawings, remove all drawings. Yeah. Now, this is Euro USD in the 4-hour time frame, right? So for me to analyze Euro USD, I'm going to go to the weekly time frame, Remember, I will start my analysis from the higher time frame down to lower time frames. At times I start at the monthly, at times I start at the weekly, at times I start at the daily. It depends on what I'm seeing. Since the 4-hour chart is not too complicated, like I'm just seeing an uptrend, right? It's not that complicated. I always go to monthly when I see a sort of consolidation. But since I have a trend already on the 4-hour time frame, I'm going to start from the weekly. Now, what is the weekly saying? What is the weekly time frame saying on Euro USD? Now, on the weekly time frame on Euro USD, I see the recent reaction I have is a consolidation, right? I have a consolidation. You see, I have, excuse me a little bit. All right, I have this zone as my demand, right? I have this zone as my demand. Like you see, is it supply or demand? Let me just say I have this zone as my support, right? And I also have this as support. I hope you can see that these two areas have them as support, right? And the market is currently at this support here. You get it, guys. And I have this as my resistance. I have this as my resistance, right? I have this as my resistance. Now, the market just bounced on this support. So where is it going to? It is heading to this resistance. So from the weekly, I'm just expecting something upward. I'm expecting something upward from the weekly, right? Now, let us add more meaning to this. Let us add more meaning to this. Let us go to the daily time frame. So I'm just going to go to the daily time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, what do I see on the daily time frame? What do I see on the daily time frame? Now, you see on the daily time frame, I actually have a downtrend. Take a look at this, guys. I have a downtrend, right? I have a downtrend, something of this sort with multiple touches. Yeah, I have that downtrend, guys. I have that downtrend on the daily time frame. So we know the market always respects the trend, right? So it's going to go up, down, right? Even if it has to sell, it has to reach at least on this trend, right? So I still have like high probability that the market is going to get here or here before selling back down. So I'm also expecting a buy from this, like a short buy from this. Now, will I just like buy from here without any confirmation? Will I just buy from here without any confirmation? Like, why should I be buying? Now, for me to get a perfect entry, I need to go to the 4-hour time frame. So I go to the 4-hour time frame, guys. Now, this is where we are going to have a clear understanding of why we are buying this market. Like, a clear understanding is going to come from here. Let me remove this trend line. Let me take away this trend line. Now, look at this is where a clear understanding comes from, right? This is my my weekly resistance support area. The market just got there, you see it, and then it's going up. Now, at this point here, guys, at this point here, we kind of see that the market kind of consolidated here, take this part as a resistance, right? And then it got broken. It got broken. You see, guys, it got broken here. It bought up, came back down. If you go to a lower time frame, you're going to see this little place as a downtrend. Let me just go to the 30 minutes time frame for you to see that. Let me just go to the 30 minutes time frame for you to see that. Okay, now on the 30 minutes time frame, you see these guys. This is that small area I was telling you about. You see, it's like a downtrend, right? And then that downtrend got broken. It got broken, right? Now, when it got broken, like I have a change of character here. Here, I have a change of character, right? And when a change of character happens, the market always comes down to test the previous support, the previous order block, or fair value gap, or liquidity void, or something like that. I see from this space, I have this liquidity void here, or can I call it a fair value gap? If I want to, I can call it a fair value gap, this big fair value gap. So the market has to come to this area around here and then buy back to the upside. That's ICT. Let's go back to our 4-hour time frame and make that clear. You see, on the 4-hour time frame now, where's that little cell I'm looking for? Guys, take a good look at this. Now, look at this. I told you it's going to be around up here, right? Now, look at this. I have a fair value gap here. 1, 2, 3 candlestick, the edges of this candlestick. And I also have this other block, right, guys? So I'm going to draw that. Let me take off this and draw it. Like I have this other block here, which the market has to come back and retest it. You see, because I have this like a little downtrend, a break of structure here, a change of character here. And after a change of character, I'm expecting the market to come back, test this other block or the fair value gap before buying back to the upside. So I'm just going to extend this to this gap as well. You see the space I was telling you in the 15 minutes time frame, right? In the 15 minutes time frame, this is the space I was telling you. Like, let me just go to the 30 minutes time frame and show you this, so you can get it confirmed, right? Let me make it to be also okay. It's always in minutes. Let me go to the 30 minutes. I see on the 30 minutes, this is that exact space I told you the market is going to come to before buying back to the upside, and it's the same spot I spotted in the 4-hour time frame. So that's really a good confirmation, guys. So I'm expecting the market to come here. Here's this area. I'm expecting the market to come here. Here's this area. Then give me a confirmation candlestick to buy to the upside. Now, where will my take profit be? My take profit is just going to be here. This is what I'm going to target, guys. Not being greedy, you know. I don't want to go too far. So it will just be here. My stop loss is going to be below this low here, and my take profit up here. And that should be a 1:4 risk reward ratio, guys. And that is my analysis for Euro USD this week. There is a possibility that it's even going to break this highs and even come up here, right up to this zone. So this is going to be my take profit 1 and my take profit 2 line up there. So that will be my analysis for Euro USD. If you have any question, you can ask at the comment section and I'm going to answer you. If you enjoyed this video, please just like the video and hit the subscribe button. Also share and invite friends to join my channel. That's going to encourage me to do more videos like this to educate you how I do my analysis and also give you trades like this. If you want to have this trade along with me, you can comment down on the comment section and I'm going to connect you to my WhatsApp community where I send all my signals for free. No payment. No one is going to inbox you as MKFX and ask you for payment, right? Everything is free. Thank you for watching, guys.